That's cool. What is it called? This one again?
Millennium Falcon.
Millennium Falcon.
Hello, my friends. I am Total.
Oh, so,
I'm sorry.
Paul Christian.
can we go? What happened?
Sorry, we had to split up our group because we have 8. So apparently they needed to stay back there.
And then you meet with the shooting? Hopefully this one too, flying and shooting together. Oh, look at that. It's cool.
We'll find out. You're not gonna fly it? You want to shoot?
6 perfect. Alright. I'm a 6 going.
Yes.
Hey, my friend.
Go, 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 go. Oh, baby, baby. Oh, okay, like that. Oh.
You want to pilot? Go pilot,
I'm scared of
Yeah, you're
Oh, I'm here. Yeah.
So if you're the main pilot, you better not crash this, okay?
How do I do that?
You'll see.
You play the back.
It's okay. if we-
Don't worry about it. The machine gonna drive
And
it.
engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Move on, my friends. See you in the cockpit. I won't be in the cockpit, of course. I'm thinking of. You're still here, go.
Slide bags up, seatbelts on. You
For
guys
your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor.
Which side do you
Whoa.
go in that, and then that one.
Oh my
Oh,
No, I'm
goodness.
gonna go in there. Because then your mom can film you.
Cargo will be stored on the floor by your feet. Safety belts
Yes,
will go
ma'am.
on from outside to inside.
Oh my god. So you want to film him or me? Same first.
Once you've buckled in, pull up on the yellow safety tab.
Oh, okay. And then yellow. Yes, ma'am.
And your flashing buttons.
Hurry now, time is money.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, so we're gonna push down on that.
You ready? Ready?
Baby, are you okay? You can. Oh my
Like
god.
engineer, repair test.
my
Hit
God.
your flashing button.
Push the button, everything.
Better be faster when we get
Ready?
right.
Oh
Pilot,
my god.
push the flashing button to take off.
Okay. Where?
I'm done.
Pilot on the
Oh!
move your stick to fly right.
Oh
and
my
left.
gosh.
I was just about to say that. Pilot on the
Look
right.
at that.
Pull back on the stick
Oh
to
my
fly.
god.
Push forward to fly.
Oh my goodness.
Weapons are online.
Oh my god.
Left pilot, hit the boosters.
I'm watching.
Now let's go with right pilot. Make the jump to light speed.
Hey, push it.
What does it spin? Oh my god. Whoa. Woo.
the train so we can shoot the last runners, shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. Keep shooting. Good job, my friends. Yes, yes, yes. We got the bullets here. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We have to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. It's coming down.
Oh my goodness.
Boosters.
Oh my goodness.
Look. Let's get out of here.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
Great job, Bucky.
Oh my god. Ow, ow, ow.
You retrieved 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough.
Hey, look, we got a hot shot.
820.
All right, I'm making an executive decision. Everybody out.
Oh my
Go on, go on,
goodness.
get out.
Awesome.
Did you get some film?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness.
It's practically scrap metal.
How was it? Do you like it?
Yo, I actually
Yeah, my finger is tired. Yeah. Shooting a lot.
thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.